Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. Now, this package came a day early. But it's better early than on time. So how's everyone's Monday? Hope everyone's doing well. There's the box. Sorry, I'm not talkative. It's Monday, so I'm a little tired. There we go. Take it here. This looks like the mirrors. Yes, they are mirrors. Oh, this looks sick. Come on out. Alright, here it is. It is the Mack looks like the MRU or TerraPro. McNeilus. It's like a 25-yarder. In the Roy Strom livery. Now, Roy Strom is still around, but they recently got purchased by Lakeshore Recycling Services early last year. So now Roy Strom, hope I'm saying it right, is part of the Lakeshore fleet. This one sick truck. Let me zoom in on that. The paint scheme is just beautiful. Oh, what a beautiful truck. There's another addition to the Chicago collection. Hope you guys enjoyed this kind of silent unboxing video. Hope everyone has a good Monday. See you guys next time.